Okay. I didn't even think this was gonna work, but I think it's gonna work. I didn't even bother starting to film until I saw it was, the radiator got bent last summer in a race. And I've already straightened it some. Glasses. It was bent worse. I started doing it a little bit, but this, I don't know, I might get it closer. Looks like it's going back straight. Let's see where we're at. It's kinda. I did straighten out some. This is bent. I can bend him back maybe. It was worse. Let's see if we can do something here again. Ow. Still recovering from a broken thumb. I don't work the greatest sometimes. Oh, this is gonna work. I mean, if it doesn't work, it's not out nothing. Oh, that's looking like way straighter. That's like way straighter. Yeah. And I got a tank I can dunk this in and pressure it up and make sure I don't have any leaks before I bolt her back on. But I don't look at him close. Maybe a hair more. Yeah. That's like way straight compared to what it was. Yeah. Straighten this bracket out a little bit. Yeah. I think we're gonna try that. See if I can make her leak.